This is after the 4 days of packing the creatine in. So 2 tablespoons a day for 4 days. I think I'm packed. Plus, I'm not enjoying the intestinal distress. If you look on the internet, it says anything from 3 days to 7 days to get yourself saturated with creatine, doing 2 tablespoons a day. And for me, 4 days was enough. So starting tomorrow, it'll just be half a tablespoon a day for the whole day. Side effects. And for older people, there are some and the main reason is because we're dehydrated. You got to drink boatloads of water. I was drinking 3 or 4, maybe 5 cups, drinking cups, not measuring cups. And now I'm up to 5, 6, 7, sometimes even 8. And I'm peeing a lot more, but I'm feeling great. Some of the side effects that you can experience are not really from the creatine, but from the dehydration that comes with the creatine. So headaches, stomach pain, fatigue, diarrhea. I think those are the big ones. And most of those you can get rid of by just drinking more water. And I can't tell you how much more to drink because just drink more. And why is it that you need so much water? Well, what creatine does is it hydrates your muscles. So just think of your muscles turning into sponges. And they're soaking up all the water in your body, which leaves very little for your brain, your stomach, your guts, and all of that. So when those organs don't have water, they tend to cramp up and start to misbehave. So I feel better. I've got more energy. I recover faster. I'm going to go with the half a tablespoon a day and check back in with all of you in about a week. But I would, at this point, say thumbs up for adding creatine to your daily health regime to get you going if you're over 60, even if you're over 50. Less brain fog. Can't tell by the way I talk and the way some of you are like, this guy's about as less brain fog as a London night. But anyhow, I feel better. I exercise better. I exercise more. I don't know if that's necessarily good, but I've got the energy to exercise more. And like I said, I'll keep you posted. But right now, I'm doing it this way when I did the saturation rather than taking 2 tablespoons all at once. I'm taking a half tablespoon 4 times a day. Now, my throat is like this because we've had a couple of really windy days here in Provo, and it kicked up all the dust. And this, I think, is called, I'm going to call it dust throat. So I've got dust throat, which I'm not happy about. But, I'll try to keep talking and keep posting as long as you keep watching, all right? Thank you so much. Bye.